7月初是就是美国的国庆，美国在地协会 AIT 将举办美国249周年独立纪念日的庆祝酒会。AIT 处长郭立言致辞的时阵就讲哦，在酒会用棒球来做主题，是代表美国和台湾有共同享受的文化，嘛强调美国赢，台湾就赢。咱的副总统萧美琴甲郭立言嘛互相来交换球衫，嘛讲期待哦，伫咧关税议题顶头会当有正面的共识。
副总统萧美琴加美国在地协会 AIT 处长郭立言将棒球衫替美鲁干杯，庆祝美国249周年独立纪念日。萧美琴致辞时阵讲，虽然台美双边正拄着关系挑战，也是当共赢发展。
And that is tonight's theme: baseball. We have a partnership that is built inning after inning. We have faced fastballs, curveballs, and sometimes sliders. But we keep stepping up to the plate with determination and teamwork.
We often talk about the fact that when America wins, Taiwan wins. In the case of the World Baseball Classic Premier 12 last fall, that was literally the case.
郭立言强调，美国陆建加台湾进行良性竞争，并且实质合作。两个人分别穿印着美国加台湾的棒球衫，并且伫咧球衫顶头签名。郭立言伫咧谈话时阵并无讲到关系，不过伊伫安全议题引述国务卿卢比奥的讲法，美国未放弃长期以来对台湾的立场。
As Taiwan continues to work towards increasing defense spending beyond 3% of GDP this year, we look forward to further investments, both in traditional military deterrence and societal resilience. And just as spending for Taiwan's defense has strong bipartisan support in the U.S. Congress, I fully expect Taiwan's political parties to devote the resources needed to maintain peace.
Taiwan will never seek conflict, but we will not shy away from our responsibility to protect our people and our values.
萧美琴代表赖总统参加美国国庆酒会，另外包括立法院长韩国瑜、副院长江启臣，也个几多位立委拢参加。江启臣也个有早台中厂商所制作的鱼类球棒，送予郭立言，以台美关系红润，形容双方的友谊。公司新闻综合报道。